Hi, I'm Charmaine Lord, and it's Cocktail Friday, and it's Christmas, holiday time, and of course, I'm going to make the quintessential Christmas drink, eggnog. Now, I gotta say, to have a really good eggnog, you need really great ingredients. And my all-time favorite, ready-made, is the one by Ronnybrook. I love this product. And then I discovered this spiced rum. And normally I'm not big on spiced rum. This one is delicious. It's a really old company, New Orleans Cajun spiced rum. And even though it probably has a little nutmeg in it, of course I'm going to finish with a little shave of nutmeg. So I think I'll start with the eggnog. And then because it's early in the day, a little touch of rum. That would be my doggy. Merry Christmas, Clyde. Give it a stir. Happy Friday. Happy holidays. Cheers. What else? For life. Delicious. You just want to keep it simple and you just want to buy the best. And this is it.